So when you put these DIN rail mounts on and you get it out of the package, you can see that there's 3 mounting holes in the shape of a triangle, and you have those same 3 mounting holes. So all you really need to do is line those up. This just needs to be snug. Like, don't go crazy. You don't need to wrench it down into the case. The plastic enclosure is fairly strong, but it is plastic. All 3 of these holes just line up perfectly, and just like that. Once you have it installed onto the link module, you can see that the bottom side of it is what's spring loaded. So since the spring is on the bottom, you're gonna wanna hook that spring in first. Compress that spring by pushing up and get that top hooked in there, and then just release that spring tension.